So today I'll cover the lab with router connecting to a PC. We'll just configure IP address in the router and the PC. We'll just try the communication. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's do the connectivity. So before that, I'll just add a note, the IP which I'm going to configure. So to configure IP address from global mode, we should go to the interface mode. So as our interface name is FA0/0, just type interface FA0/0. So you can see the difference in the mode config-if. So this indicates that you are in the interface mode. So
Okay.
let's configure IP address. So let me configure the IP address which I added as a label 10.0.0.1. Space, we need to provide the subnet mask for our IP, which is 255.0.0.0. Enter. So IP address successfully configured, but the interface was down. So we need to give a command called no shutdown. Okay, now the interface is up. You can see it's green color.
Okay, sir.
So these are the commands which I used. I'll just copy it here. So enable configure terminal under this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now I will configure IP address to the PC and I'll make a communication between this router and PC with ICMP. Basically, we'll do the ping between these two.